Wake Up Africa and a Brenna Swan and also Yede Ebremono. Na meka wo say Wake Up Africa dwumadie we nim se kwasiara bia awia duminu ekopem no mienu so ana Yede Ebremo na eduru ho say a mosomfo na mode hye ya woda mekodua metrase na fe of Apoku Danko executive director Eda Free the Mind movement ano aba betrase na fe owura Israel Nkromo no coordinator no we nyina abetrase na fe nsema wodo adaba ma so ase bobo ho no eno sia bomode na Yede Ebremo na dwumadie e hye ase be bosoro mienu ko ne miensan so ni na ye ka say the three city states are eruli ewiase no anase omo dwumadi omo ewoye ewo the new world order eba ni mu no ye di kan ahwe ye city state mienu yeguso ayehwe the city state etosumensa which is the Vatican city the Vatican city state eno ani yehwe yakọ part 1 yakọ part 2 part 3 and part 4 inti yehwe the Vatican city state ni rule awo was a new world order na eban emu na ene yebeto aso ne adi nkomo meka se dwumadie no enyumeku awdo mienu bi ene bo echidom ma yetumi de ebremo de di kan eye eba ne herbal mo na de hepa plus na fe pavian plasma so eba dwa so na de toso no so no eye Israel consult ene omo de quantum hunyema ahodo na aba your quantum negative ion energy glasses e wo ho eno eye ahweniwa na ehwe yeni na esa eho yare no saa so ane wo eye anti-aging perfume enso so ho awei we de google ho a ema wo energy ahoden pensan so ma wo nyina wo makokra mo abrewa ema ho fe no so tumi konkan enso so ho dana de aba ne de editwam wei yewie so obi atumi nya bie ukuta wei a testa wei no kra no obetumi de asie pa because we be bobra bia ma wo de so nsuo no ya acidic krampa wonsanya kasa filter we bia oda wada because as soon as nsuo no be famu e be filter no de eba mo aso anom no na ba be akalan enti ebedi nkomo e de akyeremo sanyi akoi adaroma na bo echidom etumi e de Wake Up Africa dwumadie ebremo na hotwe bia na meka wo se branches ahodo ni nyina no ebra e kasa ni be krole ntwe ni nyina wase na de bibia de na kwamu be hu ni kama fe sedem din da so hu ni fe a echire enye translucent no saa ene ne obehu bibia live na e be ko so abobo branches ahodo ni nyina ene coordinators na number enso so e de account na ba bia wo no wonso watumi afre na akwa join ikuo ni bi okwa make sure say won sa ka membership card because o join ikuo na ni dansidi e kyerese ampa ikuo no ka ho a na no kyerese wo ikuo ni ba ntimo a mo ti ba bi ka say mo ye members me sure say uni card we bia we area wo no ye nya bo coordinator the number ana be krolo tv na se na hu a na obomoden a say obefre na obekwa akwa na so age registration ana se membership card na wetima be ye ikuo ni eba na boa amenema nyina tumi akonkan yeguso abie ya prom de to se mo so amo abia ton de amopese bo ho dawro mamo se de be bitumi abrene tenten no mo so mo betumi aba ame abom nyema ho dawro de amamo se de be ya brene be free don hwere mienu akobe do hwere miensa ana se don hwere enan isensem no e ba tot sana aya na enkomu dedem onti nya to tenten na ho atumi atoye pa ena awiai yedamose se munyina mabochenku etemu television set ho na mo twen yene yanko ofa Poku Danko nkoma na kwaba na menyere mensem nyesa asamato na me mu raise so akwaba ni mentimi konka ne mu kai se nyame adom a na wotwe sene na wotwe senra eno ememenda nti na wotwe senra 16th of this month anameboa ye nyina ye ko ashaman na yasan so de ncheche foforo kra e de abremo nti mo amo ashaman ne mpatamu pram ne keka ho nyina momra na memenda ba ya 16th of this month no yikohia na ya bomode na nyema nyina no atumi akonkan nti mo amo wo ashaman ne akosombo ne mpatamu na mo pese memenda mo ba ya de hia no momfre eye brother opare e wo 0243 505969 0243505969 momfre no na onchem location no anopa no nkro pepepe ni nyina ya Alangad e ho anamwa anopa dubako 11 am ni nyina ya Alangad ho a bibia ekoso adesua mu konkan ma yetumi nyini fi adomu kwa adomu no eno ne de brebe ofa basa ma kwa babiem na pom ti sei
oba de adawo
book ma mteten ni bi na se oboma futuro chese book no ye tu an ye yi naba book se na white o na shawa na eye brown enche bo say green se de sa national Sunday Lord no de buy no chiri nyina wa odi obi aba Okay, 1987. Bushafo, what Papa di adi ya to 32 years ni o. That's what the hoye. Beka ho asem over. You share the Vatican City State Part 4. You share role na omo e will play e was a new world order na eba no even. Last week what the fa bakose mu ncheche mu owura Israel so bogre mu edu so nsem na de man na so brent antimi anwie ene ye jai e de amawo abusa meka wo se ene o message ni nyina no what be fa normal SMS ye na ye mfa WhatsApp messages normal SMS said ye moye no mo mfa 0240 270 671 over maja bre na ma
yo ya ye di ka mechia ahwefo nyina na obi bibia ni madi nkomo chia obia eno kre na otwetwe mu no ye kan ya ebize ye establish the fact say Pope Francis only the last pope.
Yes.
Na adwuma kase bi na danani. Enti me kai say last week e be wie no. Ye refresh your mind. Ye komra omo eyi no a obekasa e.
Yes.
Emo no ampo kan say ni brother cardinals no omo nyina ba wi ase wie.
Yes.
Ene omo nyina ba. Okotwero no nso a you see the 8 use of the 7 no ofri bottomless pit.
Yes.
And what the buy. And you know we know Kaiwa Mon who say Enipa no awaba onu adwuma obaba be onimpa enti ene no se bibia akoyi a ye be ya ama ya establish ekwan a obefa so abawiase.
Okay.
Na nsa no ehun prapra ho na bi ni wo be kan ya Emperor Constantine emra oma religion obeji tu mu a afie ko ba say Pope Emperor Justinian edu no so can say the Bishop of Rome.
Yes.
Ono obehwe all the Catholic churches wo wi ase nyina so nti ekofa papers no ba ye Constantine ye ya asum no ba no ja Rome Emma Pope fo and ko establish a new capital no friend Constantinople.
Okay.
And no ne ababe Istanbul.
Okay.
Because you can Roman Empire no where Nebuchadnezzar ohoni no hu ye no a and now we mienu na ne gina Roman Empire.
Okay.
Western Roman Empire, Eastern Roman Empire.
Okay.
Ejoja ha no ene ma asori no after Bibia and no call ya or create a new capital. Our friend Constantinople.
Okay.
Any
Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Okay.
Republic of Turkey. The Koba say 476 AD. Barbarians, Gehazi Asifo no etu anamon okay the origins of the white skin.
Yes, people.
So omubai. The omubai no. Ombe attack Western Europe.
Okay.
The western part and 9 way the anu mbebugu ya ekoba say
na je say Daniel saa dai so ana ni swadi hu no hu ye no ni nyina be siko
apesi se brempo de Nebuchadnezzar ni nya vision Daniel ni de na emoa okay the same thing but only the na represented by or the animal symbolism bi na ye enti ekoba say afi o ma establish Constantinople na wie and the free home na koba say 476 ehwe ase a asori no nam say na o tumi kakra nti no onu no say nyane empire no ahwe ase.
Okay.
Sabre na Emperor Justinian sabre no no relocate ko Constantinople.
Okay.
Enti no hu say ayi vedi Western Europe dia and e so say relocating the government no esan de ba.
Okay.
Nti osan ba Rome obae no yare ene ne man kitinkiti bi nti no ama ni rule no enwie peyeda nti uhwe magazine we ya almost say Germany and the Holy Roman Empire.
Okay.
Ene ma bibiri wo mu a tochima abakosem ne de ye but scripture ncheche mu no ene ma bi to senior ese etete no na abakosem no Emperor Justinian no near the image na ba no.
Okay.
Nti osan ba Western Europe no. Osan ba Western Roman Empire hɔ no a meka sɛ yare ne nyɛma nti no. E ma ofrim. Sabre no na the Germanic kingdoms because omu by barbarians no. Omu na beye Ostrogoths, Visigoths, Burgundians, Anglo-Saxons, France, Slavs, Germania, Aleman. Omu nyina enu ni ene no omu di na ba beye Italy, Spain, hwan ne omu mkeka ho. Enti ekoba say Justinian Ephraim no. Ena the Franks actually one base no beye France. Ohini bi o pie Ephraim no ne friend Charlemagne na ase ni say Charles the Great.
Okay.
Onu dem to ogun no ho no. Enti onu so be pagya ni mu around 800 AD ho no. Nana need any more of political motivation because Nana adwin here ni say also betumi a resurrect Roman Empire no. Because the same be temporarily no epagya e na abehwiase. Enti no se sa na tie dia yenso ye de ba be foaso ni aye. Enti onso ba be ye bia mo konkai echie ni hinti dua na be wona kwamu ya Anglo-Saxons no. But emre o say emre o enkwa bebre behwere bo nyankunimdie wo mo so. Enti from there no na scripture na kan say attempts no mo be to resurrect the Roman Empire no. 7.
Okay.
And when I'm say me done a dima hu. The 7 resurrections of the Holy Roman Empire.
Yeah.
Justinian the enini. Ohiasi. Charles the Great. Also by the name of Ohiasi. And Otto the Great, German. German so Germany for so preja o mumu.
Okay.
Emma or hinu no or so. Also by attempt to say or revival Roman Empire no. Let's just say what dominate. But ni nyina no, untimi ni Vatican free. Also mo titechi. After Otto the Great no so ahwe ase no. And a Frey dynasty bi Habsburg dynasty. Omo na ye Austria any just say na a free Germany ni France for entem na abepie Austria ho no baabi. Omo so ba be kura mu a eno ye aware bi a omo anu omo the previous year omo ba ene je so no ba benya tumi no also be pimpim so bia ene ohwe ase ana Napoleon Napoleon e buy ya o man general a storm Vatican mko seize Pope Pius VI from exile into France no omo dey Roman for rule no from 538 AD to 1798 next scripture na quote to say 1260 days 1260 years and now say time and the dividing of time yeah kind no ho asem abi enti Napoleon buy no dabre na dwen ye said dabre on your bus also be pimpim bia
amfa
obvious enu be sin ko e no e na afi de the friend say Hitler also pejani
champion man
and ordinary world war you buy
ya so fast o
onu so buy onu so be ya ni die no onu mpo die edu Hitler so no a na wiase waje abone bo no oni Vatican sign concordat 1933 e ba pictures we mpo de nya yi book we small screen and sign man because na Vatican you shoot 3 great European leaders we omo imagine here Hitler ni Benito Mussolini ni and Franco Mussolini na 1929 almost signed Lateran Treaty no creative Vatican City State and Hitler no so ba ya so world war obetam wi ase born now can send bebre picture ni agreement no almost sign ni omo wiye entia oni Roman for chi ani ana na semu a okan ya ne de obekan ewo ha meaning all the pictures no so be church
ye ni kan fa pictures no enchre
signing agreement
abra no omo sensan nkrata asem no eno enie ye ni kan enhwe no eno na ewo esori amede echre mo na abra na o sensan nkrata no na ne form no ɛno ana ɛwɔ soro no ana wodane ne sei a woyɛ ne sei so ɛno yɛ brom wie a na ɔmo ɛkyeakyea no enti si asensa nkrataa wie na sɛ yakyeakyea so awie a fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ yasensa awie a ɛne na medema no di sɛm ɛbɛto dwa nyɛ saa twa no di sɛm ɔde to dwa no ɛne yɛbɛkenkan no ɔyɛ kenkan ɔse
book
ni din sɛdeɛ ka na yɛ small screens ɛno ana yɛ kenkan afiri kratafa ɛtɔ so aduonu amiɛnsa page 23 ɛne kenkan ɔse I am personally convinced of the great power and deep significance of Christianity, and I won't allow any other religion to be promoted. That is why I have turned away from Ledendorf, and that is why I reject the book by Rosenberg. It was written by Protestant. It is not a party book. It was not written by him as a party man. The Protestants can be left to argue with him. As a Catholic, I never feel comfortable in the evangelical church or its structures. That is why I will have great difficulty if I try to regulate affairs of the Protestant churches. The evangelical people or the Protestants will in any case reject me, but you can be sure I will protect the right and freedoms of the churches and not let them be tied, so that you need have no fears about the future of the church. Hitler was also ready to discuss with the bishop his views on the Jewish question. As for the Jews, I am just carrying on with the same policy which the Catholic Church has adopted for 1500 years, when it has regarded the Jews as dangerous and pushed them into ghettos, etc. Because it knew what the Jews were like. I don't put race above religion, but I do see the danger in the representatives of this race for church and state, and perhaps I'm doing Christianity a great service. Enti na asem nyina no okay brenity
enti no sese no Hitler so betentam ya
yes
otifi onumpo de awie no bi so oyirai bi se ehu na Argentina bi se ye ehu ni funu ye beba no ana sese no the Abba said the resurrection na twatwo no yes say afena eboboba
okay
they say union of 10 rulers under one leader and only the revived Roman Empire and only
union of 10
rulers
under one leader. Okay.
And only about
okay.
Ninti. Mu can say Francis ba wa ba no the last pope on a sadian ebefa na nsan ye beko ho no nsan hwe ne ma bi kakra 1934
yiba
and newspaper be na deal with current events they friend the plain truth.
Okay.
Plain truth no the scriptures mu niema ayisisi na no the boni devil enipa no da no ne friend Herbert Armstrong.
Okay.
Ono na obeye leader or start here na ni maiden edition no mu no e no kan say obisa question bi with the plain truth no kan say is a world dictator about to appear.
Okay.
If they nyina na yesusu akra no ma yete ase say antichrist bi beba on the oba the oba be nie the oba ma Christopher kra de on conference say oba be attack yen na mo kra mo ye ho anu mo ka system e ho dada
esi na be attack mo
yes then o sa be twa na chi so oba be attack mo and you name nya hu nipa no amoka na se and one can we say 1934
okay
at the time na afi na bia na nani ba no ho with the German unity no enya nwanwa say ono no start here no o ka the okinkan free mo no
eni
nya no
okay
magazine
we are now
ono can say Germany
okay
and the Holy Roman Empire because then adwen yes. Say Germany tina na make say historical facts no fine and there can be but the core scriptures no mu dia and there meaning inside the considering from baby ayen ya hwehwe ne mamu akodu no they say e boni die nu
okay
they can say a dictator is about to emerge and after a chain for starting say wo mu me hu who the